morning, everybody. Mars here. Merry Christmas, and I have a couple of cards to show you. This first one is from Pam Van E. She's from Michigan, and she sends this beautiful card. Isn't that pretty? Look at all the sparkle on that. Very pretty card. And she writes, "Dear Marlene, may your home be filled with the joy of Christmas to share with your loved ones. Merry Christmas. Blessings, Pam Van E." Thank you, Pam. Beautiful card. Thank you so much. The next one is from Miss Diane Lecomte. She's from MS, so I think that's Mississippi. And here's her card. Merry Christmas, or Christmas greetings. And she writes, "May the warmth of the season last throughout the coming year." Merry Christmas, Diane Lecomte, Subby. Thank you, Diane. Beautiful card. And then the next one is a little gift from Critter 5 Crafter, who is Cathy. Cathy's from New Hampshire. I'll leave her link below, so you go over and sub to her. And she's a kind of like a new YouTuber. She does have a couple videos posted, so please go over and see her. She's recovering from surgery, so say hi. Tell her Marlene sent you. And she sent me a little box. And let's see what she's got here. Oh, the first thing is a beautiful cross that she's made. Isn't that pretty? It's made out of wood tiles. Gorgeous. You can hang that up. I've got a spot right here in the kitchen for it. And she's got some twine and a button. Very pretty. Thank you, Cathy. Great job. And then she has a little car, or a little truck. Isn't that cute? And it says faith, hope, and love. I love these little trucks. Of course, I miss my truck. This one's got some snow on it. Very cute. Love the red, though. Isn't that pretty? Thank you. And then she's got, oh, some tiles. Some little tiles that I can use. Oh, aren't these cute? Some dominoes. Small dominoes. A whole package full of them. That's wonderful. Thank you, Cathy. I don't have any. I think I've got one or two of the big ones that Brandy gave me, but I don't have any of the little ones. Thank you. And this says Oriental Trading. So I know that company. Great company to buy things from. And then the last thing she has is this beautiful doily. Isn't that pretty? So you can cut all these up and use them as individual little spots. And what I'll probably do is I'll cut it up, but I like to make corners out of these. Beautiful corners, or a pocket, whatever you like to call them. So this is just gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? And they're about the size of a nickel. So that is really nice. Thank you, Cathy. I hope you're recovering from your surgery. I hope you get better soon, and we'll see you back online. And keep crafting. If there's anything you need, let me know and I'll send it to you. So big hugs to everybody. Have a Merry Christmas. Stay safe, stay warm. Love to all. Bye-bye.